Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Cooking with Christine this savory Sunday. Today our menu item is going to be creamy, cheesy chicken pot pie. Come on with me and we'll get started right now. All right, guys, so what we'll start off with a 3/4 cup of chopped chicken. You can use this chicken is in the regular grocery store, Tyson's grilled chicken, and it works just perfectly. Sprouts also has a chicken, just chicken cooked and chopped already. So we're going to go ahead and pour the chicken into the dish that we'll be cooking in. All right, I'll put that aside. The next thing that we're going to use is mixed vegetables. And as you can see, part of our pot pie. We're going to put all that in there. We're going to get it mixed in there really, really well.
Right. Show the people the name of this brand.
Yes.
Bird's Eye Mixed Vegetable?
Yes.
Frozen section?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And so
how big is this bag?
This is...
What, 16 ounces?
16 ounces, yes.
Okay, so just to review again.
3/4 cup.
3/4 of a cup.
Chopped chicken.
Okay, okay, 3/4, wait a minute.
3/4 of a cup. I'm sorry, 3 cups.
3 cups. There we go.
I'm so sorry saying 3/4 cup. That's no chicken, is it, y'all? 3 cups of chopped chicken, okay? And so we're going to mix that in here.
So what are you doing? Just stirring that up?
Just stirring it up, mixing it up real well.
Okay.
Okay, so we got that mixed up real good.
Okay.
And the next thing we're going to do is add the cheese, and this is our Velveeta cheese.
Velveeta cheese?
Yes.
Is this
8
tight?
ounces.
Is this right?
Yeah, now this is 16 ounces because the stores didn't have 8 ounces, so I cut it in half and then I cubed it.
Okay, so let's get straight. You cut what? So you use 8 ounces?
Use 8 ounces.
8 ounces for this.
So if you can't find the 8 ounce box, just go ahead and get the 16 ounce and cut it in half and then cube that half, okay?
Okay, so how did you cube that?
I just chopped it up on the cutting board.
Oh, you just chopped it up on the cutting board? Okay.
So you see what it looks like?
This.
Yes.
Okay. So you just cut it this way and then cut it that way?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I see.
So, close to 1/2 inch cubes.
Okay.
So we're going to go ahead and put all that in there. This is why it's called cheesy.
Oh, so this is nice. So you just spread that around. That looks good.
Yes.
So do you mix it up?
Oh yeah, we have to mix it up in there real good.
Oh, so the cheese is throughout?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so it's not just on top?
No.
Oh, that's different.
Not just on top. So we're going to mix that in there real well.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I see. I see. I see.
All blended really well.
Okay, that looks good. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay, so I noticed you have another bowl here. What's the purpose of this bowl here?
So I'm going to go ahead and put all this mixture in that bowl so I can spread it out.
Oh, so you did your mixing over here?
Yes.
Okay, that's an interesting technique.
Yes.
Okay, let's see what happens
so
here.
Let's go ahead and get all of this in this bowl.
Okay.
Okay. And try not to make too much of a mess.
Even as you're stirring it, you can see how the cheese has distributed itself
throughout.
Because the issue is this has to be cheesy.
It has to be cheesy. I'm not finished with the cheese yet either. I have a surprise.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. So we're going to go ahead and get all of this.
Okay, and you're spreading it out?
Yes.
Okay. This looks like a
So I could have used the mixing bowl, but I was...
No, but then the mixing bowl would have maybe chopped stuff up.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this worked out. My strategy worked out pretty good.
Okay.
All right, so let's get all that out.
So the idea here is to layer the ingredients in one bowl and then mix it up in that same bowl, but then pour these same contents into another bowl to even get a even more clear distribution of cheese to chicken to vegetables.
And everything.
Okay.
Right. Very good. Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
All right, so then the next thing I'm going to do is I want to do the seasoning. So
Okay, what is that right there?
So this is black pepper.
Okay, how much do you use of that?
Just, you know.
What, 1, 2, 3, 4, how many shakes, or just cover it up?
Just cover it a little bit, you know, and sometimes you can do it to your taste. I have a friend I told you all about before who loves black pepper, so she would have this thing saturated with black pepper. So I pretty much covered it so that you can see it, because once I stir it, you're not going to see it very much.
I see.
Okay. And I'm also going to put a little bit of my favorite.
Mrs. Dash?
Yes, garlic and herb seasoning.
Garlic and herb. Do you have to use this?
You don't. And remember, I mentioned in my comments, you can use whatever seasonings that you like.
Okay.
So these are ones that I like.
How much of that are you using?
Not a whole lot, so I don't want it too garlicky.
Okay.
So just sprinkle. And then I have my spike. I mentioned to you guys I had spike.
Right.
Well, this is the one with no salt, because if I'm adding salt, I don't want salt in the other seasonings.
And how much of this?
Too much.
Just cover the top. Okay.
Spike. And I was able to get this at Sprouts.
Okay.
Okay. All right. And the next thing is, this is my daughter's favorite, so I use it. This is one of those you can find at the grocery store for $1. But it's and it has salt in it. So this is usually what I use in place of salt.
Okay.
Because
now, what else do we have, or we put in as far as seasoning is concerned?
As far as seasoning, that's it.
Okay, let's bring those seasoning back out so the audience can see.
Sure.
So we had spike. That was one.
Yes.
Okay. We use, what is Spice It, which is soul seasoning.
Yes. So you're supposed to be able to put it in your soul food.
Okay.
This
is Mrs. Dash, which is
herb.
Garlic and herb.
Yes.
Or like peaches and herb, okay? Then we have regular black pepper.
Yes.
So these were the ingredients that we used.
Yes.
Okay?
And so now I'm going to take a little stir and try to mix those in there real well.
Okay. All right, so now you're stirring to get all the seasoning throughout.
Throughout, yes.
Okay.
I could have done it in the other bowl before I put it in here, but...
No, but it actually makes more sense because you have more room.
Yes. Very true. Very true.
Okay.
All right, isn't that pretty? I love the colors. Okay.
Okay, so
all right.
Is it mixed throughout really good?
Should
like
be
you
mixed
wanted?
really well.
Okay.
Do another stir.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So I'll just kind of even this out a little bit.
Okay.
Now, what I want to do next is I have the cream of chicken soup.
Cream of chicken soup?
Yes.
What's that by?
This is by Campbell's.
Campbell's?
Yes.
Let's see the can here so people will know.
This is too large of a can, so I didn't use that much. But
how much did you use?
About a cup.
About a cup. So this is like milky cream soup.
So I'm going to dilute it just a little bit with some chicken broth. So,
what type of chicken broth? Oh, is this organic? Is it
yes, that's what I usually buy.
Do you use this kind of?
Well, no. Organic, anything organic is always more healthy.
Okay.
So put less additives in it. So I'm just going to pour it in here.
Pour it in here?
Yes.
I see. Okay.
And just put a little bit of broth in it. And then I'm going to mix it throughout the dish. Okay?
Okay, so you're going to use this to mix?
Yes. So I want to use this dish and pour some food.
Okay.
Shake it up real well.
Real well. How much of that broth are you going to use?
Probably about, maybe,
what's that, about a quarter of a cup?
Quarter of a cup, maybe, yeah, about a quarter of a cup.
Okay, but the issue though is that it needs to look like, it looks like pudding, like vanilla pudding. Let me see.
It does, huh?
Okay. I see. Oh, you know, it looks like cake pudding.
Cake pudding? What's cake pudding?
Like pound cake pudding.
Oh.
Okay, so all the lumps are gone. Okay, so this broth must help even it out.
Yeah, so I'm going to put this all here. This is the creamy part.
Okay.
Creamy cheesy chicken pot.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Now, are you going to mix it up again?
I am.
So again, the idea is to have all the stuff coating every piece of chicken and vegetables and seasoning.
Absolutely.
It looks like a casserole almost.
It does, though. It reminds me of a casserole. This is like a one-dish meal, really.
But since everyone loves cheese, cheese is the premier element.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the frosting on the cake, as they say.
All right.
All right, so make sure I got that in there really well.
Okay.
So, it's my
All right. So now you just
okay.
okay.
Well distributed, right. Okay.
All right. Oh, that looks good. Okay.
All right.
All right. So now you're eating it out.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Okay. What we want to do is get the crust on top.
So how did you make the crust?
So the crust is crescent rolls.
Crescent rolls?
Yes, crescent rolls in a can.
Really?
Yes. Right there in the fridge.
Let's see.
Because I got a large one. You see it standing up right there?
You mean tell me you just use regular crescent rolls
Yeah.
instead of making it from scratch?
I didn't make it from scratch.
Really? That saves
Oh.
time.
I found, it saves
So
time,
these
but
are
this is-
basically Grandma's crescent rolls by Pillsbury.
Yes, and this is
Okay.
what I use.
And
so,
how many did you use?
So I used half of it so far, but I'm going to have to eyeball it, as they say.
Okay.
And I rolled it on the rolling pin.
Okay. All
So
right.
now I'm hoping that it will roll out okay on the pie.
But it's easy to simply make more.
Yes,
Okay. So now you're rolling it out on the pie.
yes.
Oh, yeah. Add as much crust as possible.
That's what the chicken pot pie is all about, right? Crust.
And we're going to completely cover it, right?
We're going to completely cover it.
Now, can you use as much crust as you like?
Sure
Or is
you
there-
can, sure you can.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna fold this out a little bit.
And what about the thickness of it?
Really, you don't have to thin it out. That's why they choose. That's why we use crescent
Okay. Now,
rolls
why-
as opposed to biscuits.
Why did
Biscuits
you
will be
roll
thicker.
that? Why did
It's
you?
just easy to roll it back on the pie.
Oh, okay.
But you don't have to. If you got steady hands, you can just
Place it on
pick
the
it up.
pie.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Place it on the pie. All right. So they come out of the can like this with perforations on them, as if you were going to make separate crescent rolls. So yeah. Now let's see how I do this one. I might have to cut it a little bit.
I'm not sure. You might could just place it right on top.
Right here, you
Yeah.
think so? We'll just overlap a little bit.
Right. I think the more crust, the better.
Okay, so the more crust, the better. So we're going to do it like that.
Yeah. See? Yeah.
And
Got some. It looks like you're going to make some more crust.
I may have to
Okay.
get a little bit more. Usually you can just buy the 8-ounce package, but that I bought was a 12-ounce. Because nowadays you just have to get what the grocery store has. It's so hard to get exactly what you want
Okay.
on this time. So what I'm going to do now is tear that off. And at this point I can almost just pick it up.
Right. You just put it on there, right?
So it's okay if it overlaps. Let's see if I can do
And as the other piece, you can just place it right there on top.
Doesn't have to be perfect, guys, at all.
Okay.
Here.
Now, this is a good amount of crust, or would you add more? Is that
I think this is pretty good.
okay?
I think this is pretty good. So I'm just putting it in places where
So a person could add more if they chose to.
they want it to, sure.
Okay.
All right. So there it is. And butter on top.
Now, why are you putting butter on top? What does the butter do?
It's going to help with the browning.
Oh, it helps browning.
And of course the taste of it.
Okay.
But I usually do this on my pies. So this is like a pie. This is a chicken pot pie. I usually put the butter on my pie crust.
Okay.
Alright, we don't have to put a whole lot. But okay. Almost done, guys. You should have, I should have told you to have your ovens on 375. Always preheat your oven when you're baking, so it's at the right temperature when you get ready to put your dish in the oven. Okay. So this is about it.
That's about it. Now, since it's a pie, do you poke holes in the crust?
Well, you could.
But you don't have to.
You don't have to.
Okay.
You don't have to.
And that's it.
That's it.
Yeah, one more ingredient. It's just the surprise ingredient.
This is the surprise ingredient.
Cheddar cheese on top.
Cheddar cheese on top.
So we have cheese throughout and then cheddar cheese on top.
Exactly.
You gonna put as much cheese or?
Yes.
Okay. So cheese, cheese, cheese.
Cheese, cheese, cheese.
All right.
Okay,
All right.
Okay.
That looks good.
All right. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. Delicious. All right, guys, we're back, and here is the final product. Isn't that beautiful? It looks delicious. Now let's try to cut into it and see it. All right, now we're going to taste it, guys. Doesn't that look delicious? Look at that. All right, now I'm going to dig in. Looks delicious. Hope it tastes just as good as it looks. It's hot. That is deliciousness. I taste the cheese and I taste the chicken, the vegetables. The vegetables have a little crunch, but they're tender as well. This is delicious. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today on Savory Sunday, creamy, cheesy chicken pot pie. I look forward to seeing you on Thursday, Sweet Thursday. Thanks again, Cooking with Christine.